Good morning, children. Today in English class, we are going to learn about sentence. Now, children, what is a sentence? Now, look at these group of words. Let us read like, I, garden, playing, playing, in the. Do you understand something? No, I also did not understand. Now let us have a look at these group of words. I like playing in the garden. Now did you understand something? Yes, I also understood. है ना? हम दोनों को समझ में आ गया what this sentence means. So this is a sentence. So I can say sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now if I talk about group of words, so this first, like, I, garden, playing, in the. This is also group of words, and I like playing in the garden is also group of words. But the first one is wrong, right? Because we do not understand anything. Means मुझे कोई मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आया. There is no meaning in it. Okay, so this is wrong. And the second one, I like playing in the garden. It is a group of words. इसमें बहुत सारे words हैं. And it has a meaning. So it is correct. Okay. So complete sense means meaningful. Okay, so the sentence should be meaningful, then only I can say that it is a correct sentence. Okay, now see here, we will solve this example. This is the exercise. Just a second, children. Yes, this is the exercise in your English reader, page 14. Okay, so you can do this with me also. Tick the group of words that are sentences. So group of words can be anything, but if it has a meaning, then only it is a sentence. See here, first one, in air the birds fly. So this is also group of words, but does it have any meaning? No. So I will cross it. Okay. So it is not having any meaning. Now second, I love my country. This is also group of words, but it has a meaning, right? You understand something. So I will tick it. Next is Riya. Riya is. Now Riya is, it is a wrong sentence, right? Because it does not have meaning. है ना? आधा अधूरा है वो. Next is Riya is a tall girl. So you understand something from it. So I am going to tick it. Next is, this is a lovely jacket. So I get some meaning from it. आपको कोई meaning समझ में आई है. So I am going to tick it. Now children, the sentence that we form, there are some rules. Like when we go to school, there are some rules. है ना? We need to wear our uniform. We need to bring our tiffin box, all the books. So similarly, when you are forming sentence, there is some rules that you need to follow. sentence should be meaningful. So like I said, it should have some meaning. Okay. Next, each sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So whenever you are writing a sentence, it should start with a capital letter. That is, my ball is red in color. So here you can see the first word is M, my, right? My is the first word and the first letter is M. So it should be capital, and when your sentence is ending, when you finish your sentence, you should put a full stop. Okay? Names of people and places always start with capital letter. So, if I am writing the name of a person or place, it will start with capital letter. Let me show you an example. See here, my brother's name is Vihan. Now here, my is the first word of the sentence. So, the first letter M is capital and Vihan is a name of a person. Okay, that is why the V in Vihan is capital and at the end we have a full stop. So whenever you are writing a sentence, you have to keep these rules in mind. For next is, he lives in Punjab. Now Punjab is the name of a place and that is why P is capital, okay, and H is capital because it is the, yes, it is first letter of the sentence, okay, and then last में we have a full stop. Now there is one more rule remaining. I will always be capital. Whenever you are writing a sentence, I will always be capital. For example, Sameer and I are friends. So Sameer, it is the name of a person, but it is also the first letter of the sentence, so it is capital. And I will always be capital. Whether it is in the first or in middle of a sentence, it will be capital. Okay. And then last में there is full stop. Okay. Now next children, punctuation. Do you know what is the meaning of punctuation? Punctuation is the name of marks used in sentence. For example, we use capital letter in the start of sentence, that is punctuation. We use full stop, that is punctuation. हम comma भी use करते हैं, we use comma, that is also punctuation. Okay? तो punctuation हमें क्या help करता है? How does it help us? It helps to understand and do correct reading. ठीक है? So whenever you are reading, you will come to know where should I stop, okay, where a question is asked, okay, so and where a new sentence begins. New sentence कहाँ start हो रहा है, where it is ending, all this we come to know by punctuation. Now punctuation marks, we will see some, okay. Hi, I am a full stop. I think you should stop. So when you see a full stop, you need to stop reading, okay. For example, Harsh is a good boy. There is a full stop, means the sentence has ended. So I should stop. And then after some time, I will start reading another sentence. Okay. Next punctuation mark is, who are you? Hi, I am a comma. I think you should wait for a second. Now, comma, it is used when we talk about many things. ठीक है, जब हम बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपकी मम्मा आपसे पूछती है ना, योर मदर आस्क्स, डू यू वांट चॉकलेट, कॉमा पिज्जा, कॉमा बर्गर, कॉमा वेजिटेबल. ओके, सो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपको दे दिए मम्मा ने. सो व्हेन यू विल राइट इट, यू विल यूज कॉमा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the pet store has dogs, comma, cats, comma, fishes and turtles. Now, when I am reading, how I will read? The pet store has dogs. Pause for a second. Wait for a second. Cats, fishes and turtles. Okay. So, whenever you are reading, अगर आपको कॉमा दिखाई देता है, इफ यू सी अ कॉमा, यू नीड टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम. और कॉमा कब यूज होता है? व्हेन वी यूज इट, व्हेन वी हैव ऑप्शंस. ओके, एंड इन द लास्ट वी विल राइट एंड. ओके, व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग द लास्ट ऑप्शन, वी विल यूज एंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट पंक्चुएशन मार्क इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. Hi, I am a question mark. Are you asking something? So whenever there is a question mark, it means someone is asking something. For example, what is your name? That means someone is asking my name. How are you? So if you ask a question, you should put a question mark so that the person will know that you are asking question. Okay, now children, we will solve this book exercise. Use the capital letter and full stop wherever necessary. Now Neha is a pretty girl, so first letter will always be capital. So N will be capital. Okay, and in the end we will write a full stop. Neha is a pretty girl. Next is, I like to eat ice cream. So I is the first word here. So I will be capital and in the end you will put a full stop. Nitin goes to the market. So N will be capital and last में you will have a full stop. Mona likes to play in the park. So M will be capital because it is the first letter and in the last end of the sentence I will put a full stop. Okay, I hope you have understood about punctuation mark and what is a sentence. So remember children, sentence is a group of words. It should have meaning. Okay, that is all for today children. Thank you and bye bye.